Barbecue food for you. Today, showing everyone how to make chicken lollipops wrapped in candy bacon. Let's get started. To get started, take your chicken and just give it a good rinse under some cold water. Next, take a cutting board and a good sharp knife, and what we're going to do is take the skin from the top of the meat all the way up to the bone. Each one's a little different, and it's a little tricky taking it off, but just take your time. Go around down to the bone. And then take your knife and work it back up. Got the ends of the chicken drumsticks all cleaned up and looking great. Now what we're going to do is put them in a Ziploc bag and mix up some marinade. Marinade's all mixed together and smelling great. Now just take it and pour it in the bag. You can use any type of marinade you want. It's optional, you don't even need the marinade. This is a great recipe if you just want to do it quick and get it on the grill. Once you have your marinade in the bag and all mixed together, just put it in the fridge for around 24 hours. But if you're passing by to grab a drink or get something, give it a flip and just shake it around a little bit. Chicken's been marinating for around 24 hours. Now what we're going to do is take this bone-sucking sauce, season it and rub, and give it a good coating on the chicken. Got a good coating of rub on that marinated chicken. Now we have one package of just regular bacon, some maple syrup, and brown sugar. We're going to coat one side. So just take a brush it on your syrup, give it a nice coat. All coated. Now just take your brown sugar and just sprinkle it all over. Now just take a piece of chicken and a piece of bacon, starting at the top, and just stretch it around. If you get a good stretch, you shouldn't need no toothpicks or anything. And just keep plugging away. Keeping the maple syrup and sugar on the outside. Today we're going to be using the Big Green Egg, but you can do this on any barbecue. Just set it up for indirect cooking and keep your temperatures around 300 to 350 degrees. Let's get the chicken on. To cook the chicken, we're going to cook it standing up, like how it's on the plate. So just take your time, set it the right way on the grill, and it will stand up. Get the rest of these on. Got our chicken all standing up on the grill, drip pan underneath, and chunks of applewood smoking away. Now, just shut the lid. Chicken's been cooking for around half an hour now and smells great. Let's take a quick peek and see how it looks. Looking good. Let it cook for a few more minutes. We'll go get some sauce. The sauce we're going to be using on the chicken is Ted Reeder's world famous barbecue apple brown Betty grilling sauce. This stuff is delicious. Nice and sweet with a little bit of heat at the end, and it's going to give a nice glaze on the chicken. Let's go get it on. Chicken's just about done. Now what we're going to do is give it a good coating with some of Ted Reeder's apple brown Betty sauce. Let that sit for another 10 minutes or so. Chicken lollipops wrapped with candy bacon just off the grill and looking great. It's easy to do, barbecue food for you. Give it a try.